10 tips for National Gardening Week. Do make sure that anything you sow or plant at this time of year is looked after when it comes to watering, particularly pot-grown plants that have been put out in the garden. Don't let them dry out. Sprinkle some blood, bone and fish meal between all the border plants in your beds and borders. That way it will get straight to the roots once the rains come, or if you water it in, and give them a real boost. Working hard for you. Time to give them some feed. Hoe regularly between the rows on your vegetable patch just to keep down annual weeds and make sure the crop gets nutrition rather than the weeds themselves. Do remember with fruit and vegetables that as they're maturing, they need a constant supply of moisture. Don't let them dry out. If you have to, put a sprinkler on your veg patch and keep that moisture at the roots to keep the crops growing and tender. Although it's early in the season, it is worth deadheading things once the flowers have faded. It prevents them spending their energies in creating unwanted seeds, and it also keeps your garden looking nice. Remember that plants in containers are totally reliant on you for food and moisture. Check them either early in the morning or early in the evening and give them a really good soak when they need it. You can feed containers once a week now. When herbaceous plants are growing taller, remember some of them are going to need staking. Get in there with either twiggy pea sticks or canes and twine before they actually topple over. That way they'll grow up and mask your supports. Remember not to plant summer bedding out in your garden until the end of May, or if you're really up north, the beginning of June when danger of frost is past. That way your plants will thrive and won't get burned. Don't put tomato plants outside on the veg patch until the air and the ground have really warmed up. Early June is plenty soon enough. Do it before that, the plants literally will turn blue with cold. Tie in climbing plants and roses as they grow to a support system. It saves them lashing around in the air. Make sure they look good and their flowers are well supported.